up, you know,
Yeah, we'll put it later.
we might be able to pull it all together, you know what I mean?
You could. Hey, Don.